East Town. New East Town.
Try to be.
This is McDonald's. We just finished both our Big Macs in less than 60 seconds.
Get that fish. Get. How you get this? What do you think?
Blockbuster. It's the French fries. Ketchup.
Yeah, sometimes I mean fire strikes.
Yeah, you only use fire strikes.
Let's see what's inside. Surprise. McDonald's. We're in McDonald's, you know. French fries. This is another journey.
I'm right here, Cherry Motors on 8 Mile, right? 8 Mile.
Oh my goodness, Neil, is that the pizza?
Yes, this pizza.
Hi, Mark. Mark.
This is real.
Real session. They've gotten better. Before they were like super duper annoying.
They're so high.
They would run into my room and then just throw stuff onto the ground.
What's in the screen?
That's cool.
That's
awesome.
Oh my goodness, it's
No, I'll be
amazing.
very
Are you gonna post this on
Oh my
Facebook?
goodness, it's the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
It's making me.
So provider makes me.
With no acting.
Poke part.
This is Joshua doing the poking thing.
Mark, I'm gonna
This is
poke
for
you.
real. You better not!
Have you listened to this song before?
No.
You better not poke me
It's
or
by Will
else!
Smith's daughter.
Okay.
Is it good? It's kind of.
What are you doing? Start!
Owned! Owned! You can always remove
Oh!
Poker face.
I know. I'm eyeball again.
No, I really.
That was twice.
that! She's gonna be notified 2 times.
Why you wanted me to do it twice? Okay.
Oh my god!
No!
And then let's make it a third time. Why not?
Third time's the charm.
Dude, that hurt. Ow.
Third time's the charm.
Yes! Only
No!
only Morel and Cheska, but
No!
only Morel and Cheska, okay?
No! Not again!
Only Morel and Cheska, okay?
Oh my god!
Hey! Hey! You better not! You better not!
Mark, get out of here!
Give me
Mark, get out of here!
Oh my gosh, look!
What? What is this?
Look at
What
this!
is this?
I got the
Oh my goodness,
Oh my
ultimate
Ultimate poking!
in the
Poke!
I got a cup. Darn it.
Let's go.
I got a recop.
Mr. Harrell.
Yeah! Only for you! Now she made me pissed. Oh frick, I know Michelle doesn't have a wall for me. Michelle doesn't have a wall for me.
What? How much times did he post it?
Oh, yes it does.
Joshua, how many times you posted?
Good fight. Oh, yes. Revenge.
Oh, you're done. You're done.
Revenge.
You're done.
Oh yeah. Let's do the unique as well. That's almost sister. Okay, let's do
Notifications. 7 notifications.
Oh,
Dude, stop playing.
Holy crap.
No, keep going on it. Keep going.
Well, there you go.
I just put a lot of hearts.
Spare more cards.
Joshua gave you a heart. Now that. He's doing it again. He's putting a lot of them.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop, stop, stop.
Yeah.
Wait, no. Do more.
No, they're gonna think I'm weird. They think I'm gonna be dating someone that's 19 years old.
I know this is that shit.
Oh.
No, you can still message you.
Hindi ko nakikita yung line shadow.
Look what I got!
Warning, you are engaging in behavior that may be considered annoying.
She blocked you. She blocked you.
What did it say?
Warning, you are engaging in behavior that may be considered annoying or abusive by other accounts. I don't know my other account then.
I received that message before too because I know your friend.
You're done, yo.
My 3 friends, I don't like dark,
This is recording, guys.
lightest.
This is recording, guys.
That's how I got to dark. Oh no, you want to see something racist? So funny.
Everyone is still here. This is the people that are left. There's school tomorrow. Just tomorrow.
What up, everybody? Are you ready for the night shift tonight?
No.
This is one of the dogs, the rage of dogs. Mamayang gabi at na. Mamayang gabi at the worst of dogs. Mamayang gabi and the rage of dogs. All the pain that gave the dog all. And now you can get to read the night shift.